We're here in Barry to see Vale of Glamorgan Council's new retrofit work. It's actually a single solar technology providing energy to all the flats. Let's find out more about this dynamic SolShare technology at Vale of Glamorgan property.
So what drew us to this project, this partial retrofit? First thing is these are classic 60s blocks of flats. Straight away you can see a whole new skin. They've sucked out all the poor cavity insulation, put a nice new external insulation on there. It's freshened it up, but it's also made it much more airtight, much more warmer inside, reduced all those cold spots that existed.
If you had seen it at the very beginning, you would understand how terrific it makes you feel. All the occupants have had a help in what they wanted, colours, textures and whatever have you. The finishing that they're going to give this place, especially when we haven't seen the gardens today, but when we see the gardens now in 2 weeks and they're totally finished, it's just going to be something else. I just can't wait.
We're also drawn to this for the SolShare. If you're not familiar, it's a solar, a lovely solar array they've got on here, and a clever box, the SolShare technology that distributes the electric around. It's backed by some batteries, so people are out in the day will be able to use that energy in the night. Tenants themselves will also get the benefit of the feed-in tariff, i.e. any excess solar that's not being used or not being topped up with the batteries will be fed back into the grid, and the tenants will get that benefit.
Solar panels, I mean the actual occupants themselves are going to be blessed with a little bit extra money in their pockets, and at their ages, in fact in my ages, wouldn't that be great?